I can't believe that I have gained 1,000 followers on one of my TikTok accounts in just a few days. I started using this method on June 13th, and it is now June 19th. As you can see, I went from only 32 followers to 1,000 plus followers in a matter of days. It wasn't because I got tons of views. I did not get too many views in the last 7 days. I've only gotten around 15,000 views from all the TikToks that I've uploaded. This method is one that 100% works, but like I said, it may take you a few days, and I will explain why in just a second. But before I do that, if you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Mary, and I make videos on how to make money online. Hit the subscribe button and give this video a like because you will be able to gain 1,000 followers if you follow this method correctly. So before I reveal this method, you might be wondering why it's so important to get to 1,000 followers on TikTok. One of the main reasons is that you unlock the first tier of monetization. You can now link products in your TikToks and make money whenever someone purchases a product. You can also use certain sounds on TikTok and make money if your video gets a certain amount of views. This is called work with artists. Okay, let me show you how it all works. So, what you want to do is head over to TikTok, and in the search bar, you want to search for Road to 10,000. Now, this trend on TikTok has become really popular in recent months, and many people are taking part in it. It's basically a challenge where people aim to get 10,000 followers by helping one another on TikTok. And this is the same challenge that I took to gain the 1,000 followers. Most of the videos in this trend follow a similar pattern. For example, the creator of the video could ask you to follow them, like their video, repost it, and then comment something. Usually the word teamwork is used. Then they ask you to like all the comments in the comments section. The idea is everyone follows whoever likes their comments. So, this trend is basically creating a huge follow train. So, what you're going to do is you're going to search up the hashtag Road to 10,000. Then, you're going to watch as many videos as you can, comment on as many videos as you can, and interact with as many videos as you possibly can. You also have to follow everyone who likes your videos for this to work. Once you've done that, you can also make your own Road to 10,000 videos asking people to follow you, like your video, and leave a comment in the comments section. This method really does work, and what I've noticed is that these are all genuine follows, and not bots. So, you don't need to be worried that they will all disappear. I mean, you might have a few unfollows here and there, but on the whole, your followers will remain steady. And you don't even need to show your face to do this. The TikTok account I tried this method with does not show my face at all. Let me show you how to create your own Road to 10K video. It's really simple, don't worry. First, you are going to need a picture of a person. This could be an AI-generated person or just a copyright-free image that you get off the internet. Try to make it a selfie or something relatable and friendly. If you can't find a picture on the internet, you can do what I did and generate an AI character. Once you've done that, you need another image. This will be a screenshot of your TikTok account page showing how many followers you have and how many people you're following. Now you're going to create a carousel-style TikTok. The first image will be the AI picture or the picture of yourself. You're going to put some text over this picture. I recommend putting the word teamwork right at the top. Then you could add something like following everyone back or comment teamwork and follow everyone who likes your comment. You can mix it up. You don't need to say the same thing in every single TikTok you post related to this trend. Some of the videos I've seen have just put the word teamwork. Next, add the screenshot image, and you're basically done. Make sure you add a sound that people are using. To find a sound to use, just go to any one of the videos that has a good number of views and likes and use that sound. Last but not least, make sure that you add the hashtag Road to 10,000 in the description, and that's it. Now, there is an important thing that I need to mention, which is about TikTok putting you into TikTok jail for following too many people too quickly. Try to avoid doing that. What you can do is follow a certain number of people, then come back later and follow more people after a decent time gap. This way, TikTok doesn't find you suspicious and block you from following anyone. If you do get put in TikTok jail, don't panic. Just give it a day, and the next day you'll be able to follow people again. This happened to me once, and the next day I could follow people again. Also, an important thing to mention: if you do get put in TikTok jail, do not post any content while you are blocked by TikTok. I found that my videos weren't getting many views because of this. So don't post any new content if you end up getting blocked by TikTok. Now, this works whether you post a video or not, but if you want to get the 1,000 followers faster, then I recommend posting simple carousel videos like these. Also, if you want to achieve this goal even faster, then post a few TikToks every day. This will help TikTok push your account to more people and create a snowball effect. What I did was post 5 TikToks every day since starting the challenge. These should not be about the actual challenge itself, but rather normal TikTok videos related to your niche because, after all, you want to be making money from them when you finally get monetized. I used an AI software called Fliki, which literally generated the entire video for me. I made a video explaining how to do this, and I'll leave it in the description. Okay, so back to the video. If you keep commenting every day and following other people, you have a really good chance of getting 1,000 followers within a maximum of 1 week. I didn't comment much and still got 1,000 followers really quickly. So, to give you a quick summary of what we have learned, you can get more followers by participating in TikTok's trend called Road to 10K. You can post your own simple videos about this challenge if you want to get followers quicker. You can also try posting regular content every day so that your channel grows faster and you start making money on TikTok. Remember, you want to be able to get 10,000 followers on TikTok to get monetized for the 1-minute plus videos. Repeat this method over and over, and within a few weeks, you will get monetized. Also, start stacking up those 1-minute videos so that you can start making a decent amount of money when you get monetized. Alright, that's it for this video. If you learned something, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, let me know if you want me to continue making videos about TikTok and the TikTok Rewards program because I really enjoyed making this video. Anyway, see you in the next video.